car essentials you'll actually use. Nowadays, there's a lot of things happening on the streets, and we never know what might happen next. That's why we need to at least be protected. And here we have the 70mi A200 dashcam. It's an entry-level dashcam, but it has all the necessary features we need, and it's also very affordable. It comes with front and rear dual recording cameras with good video quality both in daytime and nighttime, thanks to its f2.0 aperture and 1080p HD resolution. It also has a 24-hour parking surveillance, giving us that peace of mind for our cars. Plus, it also has an emergency video recording in case of a collision. You can also directly download videos through the 70mi app. If you're looking for a dashcam with nice features at an affordable price, the 70mi A200 dashcam is definitely for you. Enjoy car life. Peace.